A standard plastic bin. You can find yours anywhere, a hardware store, a local shop. I found mine on Amazon for around £12 to £13. Turning the bin over, I used a marker pen and dotted roughly where I'd like to have my holes drilled. The holes encourage airflow and prevent excess moisture building up inside of the bin. I used a 5mm drill bit and I was quite happy with the holes that I came out with. Although you can use a bigger or smaller one, I found in my research that using a smaller one prevents the compost from actually pouring out of the holes. Just using some standard gardening soil, although mine was extra wet as it had been outside in the garden and absorbed a lot of rainwater. So to help balance that, I used some old dry soil and mixed that in. I was using a spade at first, but I found using my hands a lot easier as the spade would just get stuck and wedged in the soil. And now that that's combined well, it's ready to start using. So I began with throwing in some strawberry leaves, banana peel, some chickpeas that had gone off, coriander, followed by some leftover macaroni and gone off rice. You can throw in anything really, just avoid throwing meat in, as the meat attracts flies, which encourages maggots, which you don't want. Once that's well mixed, pop the lid on, seal it, and I place mine on some planks, just to encourage the airflow from below. And there you are, a lovely new compost. Thanks for watching.